Welcome to Admission and 15 Adventures. It's Andre. I am back in downtown Vancouver and heading down to the convention center to the Vancouver International Boat Show. A little misty, but we'll see. So come enjoy the video. I'll start recording once I get my tickets and we're inside. A little less crowded. So today's the opening night or day for the International Boat Show. Not many people. This is normally held at BC Place, where the Olympics opening and closing ceremonies were held, but this year they had to move it here due to the FIFA World Cup soccer taking over, and apparently they are growing grass, as BC Place is an artificial turf stadium, and FIFA requirements that they have to play on natural grass and a special grass, so that's what they are. Moved it over here this year. So it's a lot smaller than I remember at the Vancouver or BC Place. All right, here we go. Let's check out what they have. So they have two locations, one here and then at False Creek. Now I was told they will shuttle people down to False Creek, so we'll see how that works. What I find funny about this is it's all, I joked about it at the craft fairs that it's all ladies. This is all men. Some weird thing around here. Someone asked me today if I plan on buying a boat, and I said, yeah, maybe a rubber dinghy. But I do have a boat license, so you never know. $153,000 for these boats. Whew. Where's the rubber dinghy I was looking for? I'm here with the girls today. Morning.
If you don't mind taking your shoes off.
Not even going on.
Yeah, if you don't mind taking your shoes off.
I saw that. I wasn't going out there.
Oh, no. Thank you. Yeah. That'll be if you guys have any questions.
Maybe something I could afford. I haven't even seen the prices yet. Oh, okay, I could afford it. They're beautiful.
Just like this. And then strip blanket around it.
Yeah.
Boat schools. Yeah, maybe I could afford that one. said hello to someone. The Beachcombers, the good old Canadian show. Molly's Beach. That's too funny. Oh my God. Why is it only a kid zone? That's what I need to do. Whew. I can't tell you how bad it smells. Here we go. That's what I need.
Well, Vancouver's been building since forever, right? Since I think like 1874. So I'm confused. Here's 1.4. Okay, so your husband is where? Oh, okay. All right, so
Thank you.
Why replace it?
well, no, it's just about
If? Well, it's possible.
This is nice. Is that 681,000? This one's only 160. Wow. Fishing boat.
Your cousin knows everything. Your dad's like a mom.
It just smells a little better. I think it's because you're getting used to it.
Yeah, this is nice. I'm quite happy with this. It's smaller fish.
This is weird.
What flavor is it? 200. Yeah.
The layout is usually different. But apparently I just heard somebody say that they've actually got more boats in here than you'd have at BC Place. 100 grand for Yamaha. I'm turned around because it's not. Well, maybe I'll just do one this side and then I'll go this angle instead of going what I normally just do, north and south. Just ski-doos these days. 19,000 for a ski-doo. Wow. Zodiacs are fun to drive around in. I should hand out my travel agent cards there. In a month time, Fan Expo is going to be here. I've been thinking about going. Just don't know what day I want to go. There's some good, some of the Goonies cast. Smallville, which was filmed here in Vancouver. Now the technology part. Lord of the Rings, if I said it. Some of the Goonies. And many, many more. So who knows, we might be back here in a month.
So, like, if your people, your clients are just visiting the park or going on a beach, it's a national park. Okay. Well, I'll learn some stuff. That's cool.
Whoa, is that a trailer?
So I'm in Maple Ridge. I do everything locally. I cut everything locally. Yeah, so I want
That's usually how I do it. Because I can't, like, if I sit here. So it's a full-time design, so all one song, separate. How do we Support search and rescue. Support the left.
Pardon? Pardon?
You like to support search and rescue?
We hold. Sorry, I got held up there for a second. I'm not a fisherman. Welcome back to our pier.
And also to
Had my share of the
yeah, I try to stay away from one.
I'm disoriented how many different corners I have to turn, so if I missed something, I'm sorry. Because usually this stuff at BC Place is up on all the ramps, and the boats are all down on the floor. So just throwing me off how they have it.
Once these get into the folds and bellows, they never 2,500 square foot showroom, 2,500 square foot parking.
Something 3,300. Finally, something in my range. Like,
Yeah.
like this. It would be too big unless, you win the lottery.
I landed last night, so I'll probably be here till Monday. Stay with Dave for Scotty.
This is nice. Both of these are nice. Trying to see if there's a price somewhere for the 23 footer. No shown price. Wow, $330,000 for a boat. These engines are taller than me. The clientele, like I said earlier, kind of funny. All men with their wives or partners. in a month from now, there will all be people dressed up in cosplay. And in 11 months, will be people in Christmas outfit.
This is nice. What you had on the side door?
I can't even, I'm trying to look at the price, but it's so little I can't see it.
Oh yeah, oh, I know what you're talking about.
Where are you on this big place of leave? You get 3 days.
Yeah.
We'll go for a scooter ride. If you're back, she's crazy. Yeah.
I think I went through everything, but I really can't tell you. Yes. So let's slap this back on.
But they're only seeing a vehicle at 3.6. Okay.
I've seen guys that side and
Go ahead.
What?
My wife put her jacket away. We're gonna go out to the front desk and get over to False Creek, and then head back here before we head out. Well, it was here for a few hours. There is supposed to be a shuttle that takes you over to Granville Island because there's another section of it. Unfortunately, the shuttle is not working, and it's going to be another little while before they decide to bring it here. So that will be about it for me. I don't know if I'm going to give you bonus footage of walking around anywhere if we go to Gastown or whatever we might do. But if not, thanks for tuning in, guys. This is the Mission 1015 Adventure. Have a great day. Bye-bye.